Hey YouTube, Jason here with DayTradingFearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, leave it down below. I'm just gonna be totally transparent. This is actually the paper account, or sorry, not paper, on demand, because there was a trade that actually set up that I want to show you guys to where you can make some money. So I'm going to just simulate what this trade was on the demand. So it's not a live trade, but it is a trade I took earlier this week. So I just wanted to kind of show you guys what the thinking was and all that. So right now we make a low, right? Kind of make a low here, stochastics oversold. Make a new low here, right? Higher low. So we actually have a divergence here, right? But then price makes a higher low, bounces, higher high, or double top, right? And then we make a new low. Okay, but if you look here, we actually have what's called hidden divergence. So the trade is this setup right here. Okay, we kind of, if we look at this chart, we could say, hey, this high right here is the highest point, right, from all of this price action. If we actually make a high with this hidden divergence, we should see a new high. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a trade in, and this is kind of the same trade I took. We're going to go 500 shares, looking for 10 cents, okay, where we have to break above this candle's high by 1 penny. If we break it by 1 cent, we should see price kind of move higher from there. So here we go, right? We're going to probably test it, pull back, and retest it. Again, we'll zoom in. Okay, we'll probably retest these guys right there, 25, pause, pull back, like what we're doing. Okay, and then once we kind of break above here, we'll probably see a run up to this 30 level, maybe a quick little pause, and then break through. Okay, if I remember correctly, I did get a couple cents of slippage on this, just because it moves so quick, and that's part of trading these penny/momentum stocks, right? But again, this is more for illustration, just so you guys could see how a hidden divergence, right, with a breakout of a bunch of price action moves. So right there, so got kind of entered at 31, didn't get filled till 37. So a lot of slippage, but look at the spread on this, right? But looking for a 10 cent target, right, at 47. And again, we're looking for the momentum to carry on higher, looking for 10 cents. I will move my stop to 1 penny below this current candle. It's 706. Okay, actually, want to know something with this? I'm actually going to move it right below here, probably to this 719 level. We'll go 718, because if we actually give up this and these two levels of resistance and also the 50%, I really don't want to be in that trade. That's kind of my thinking. So it's either it's gonna work and go, or it's going to fail, and if it fails, get me out. I'm not going to stay in forever. So here we go. Kind of saw price go up. Again, their on demand isn't the best. Sorry, but it is what it is. You could see we just had a spike to 49, no fill here. But again, it should fill any second as we kind of pull back, go back up to it. Okay, and make a quick 50 bucks on this trade. So just want to kind of point this out to you guys, help you guys kind of understand. Again, this trade isn't so much about the making money side of it. This is more the education side, going back to a trade that I took earlier this week that I really liked, and I kind of marked it off to make a video for this for you guys. And hopefully when you see patterns like this, you'll understand what the patterns are, right? Of, hey, all this really hard fall. Well, if we get back above here, these two guys, and then back above here, we should see price continue. And I would be looking for at least the open as a possible first resistance, or the VWAP. That's what this purple line is. So it's price. Now, remember, in the real world, I would have already been filled here because it is the on-demand, still hasn't been filled, but we should be getting filled very shortly, if I remember, because I've kind of been doing a couple videos and messing up, so I just want to make sure I do a good, clean video for you guys. Be transparent. This isn't a live trade, nothing like that, but this is a live trade that I personally took earlier that I just wanted to make and show you guys how divergences and hidden divergences could sometimes lead to bigger moves. And that's the whole purpose of a lot of my videos, is to help you guys become better traders and look for certain things to actually go and be able to execute on your own. Because all this is all about price discovery, or more, not so much price discovery, but pattern recognition, right? You want to see these patterns. You want to kind of make sure that when they happen over and over, you're able to learn from them and go, ooh, I remember this pattern. It did this, and it should do this because of these things. And you'll see they work a lot of times, and all that. Normally, if I was in this trade, okay, because I did get filled there, but also right here, okay, is we kind of ran up. I would have kept moving my stop all the way to here, so, but I would have already been filled on that trade. So I hope this video kind of helps you guys. Again, if you like these videos, let me know. I know they're after the fact, but at least it's, again, a learning tool for you guys to kind of learn and understand how these trades work, going into real time and all that. So let's do this. Let's fast forward this video by a couple seconds, right? Just for the target, so you guys could see when the target actually got hit. Nice little bull flag, right? Here's another thing. Let's say you want to enter here, draw a little bull flag, right? If we could break out, here's our flagpole, okay? And just kind of wait for that for the breakout. Again, I'd be watching here. If this was a live trade, I'd be watching up here. Here's kind of the break of the bull flag, okay? And a lot of times, if you're kind of like, hey, in real trading, hey, it's taking too long, just move it. Take your profits and move on. There's really nothing wrong with doing that. So as always, thank you for watching. Also, if you made it this far, down below we have an affiliate link for free stock with Robinhood. If you guys want to sign up, I personally really like Robinhood for more of my swing trades, so holder longer term trades. So I keep my account separate, put the trades in, very easy, and then use TD Ameritrade for my penny stocks, and Stage 5 for my futures trading. Same with Ninja Trader. So again, links are down below. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. Again, if you guys like these videos, comment down below. I'll make more of them for you guys, so you guys could learn. Oh, real quick, look at this, right? Remember I said this opening price, that's what this is. Watch this for a potential resistance level. Look at how we came right to it and then we pulled back, okay? So again, things like this are little telltales where if you want to short something, right? Again, these momentum stocks are a lot harder to short. But if you ever want to, that would have been a really good place, maybe somewhere between here and here, to look for shorts. So until next time, we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.